In a valley where shadows danced and played, lived an adventurous boy named Elian. He loved telling stories with shadows, but the valley's shadow puppeteer, who brought them to life, had lost his creativity. He sought guidance from a traveling storyteller named Saoirse, renowned for her captivating shadow plays. Saoirse challenged Elian to collect 3 enchanted objects that amplified shadows: a moonstone lens, a firefly lantern, and a raven's feather. Elian explored dark caves, navigated moonlit paths, and outsmarted mischievous shadow sprites. He gathered the objects, and Saoirse used them to help the shadow puppeteer rediscover his passion. The valley was filled with spectacular shadow plays, captivating everyone with their magic and wonder thanks to Elian.